Ladies and gentlemen, it is with great enthusiasm that I introduce to you the Tecno Camon 40 Premier 5G, a smartphone that epitomizes innovation and excellence in mobile technology. Unveiled on March 3, 2025, at the Mobile World Congress in Barcelona, this device has garnered significant attention for its cutting-edge features and sophisticated design. Design and display. The Tecno Camon 40 Premier 5G boasts a sleek and elegant design, measuring 161 by 75 by 7.7 millimeters and weighing 193 grams. Its 6.67-inch Full HD Plus curved LTPO AMOLED display offers a resolution of 1260 by 2800 pixels, delivering vibrant and sharp visuals. With a 144 Hz refresh rate and HDR support, users can expect smooth scrolling and an immersive viewing experience. The screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7i, ensuring durability against scratches and minor impacts. Performance and software. At the heart of the Camon 40 Premier 5G lies the MediaTek Dimensity 8350 chipset, built on a 4nm process. Its octa-core CPU configuration includes a high-performance Cortex A715 core clocked at 3.35 GHz, 3 Cortex A715 cores at 3.20 GHz, and 4 energy-efficient Cortex A510 cores at 2.20 GHz. Paired with a Mali G615, MC6 GPU and 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM. This smartphone delivers exceptional performance for multitasking and gaming. Running on Android 15 with iOS 15, users can anticipate a user-friendly interface and access to the latest software features. Camera system. Photography enthusiasts will be captivated by the Camon 40 Premier 5G's versatile triple camera setup. Main camera, a 50-megapixel wide lens with an f/1.9 aperture, featuring a 1/1.56 sensor size and 1.0 m pixel size, equipped with PDAF and optical image stabilization, OIS, for crisp and clear images. Periscope telephoto, a 50-megapixel lens with an f/2.2 aperture, offering 3x optical zoom and PDAF, enabling detailed shots from a distance. Ultra-wide lens, another 50-megapixel lens with a 114 degrees field of view, perfect for capturing expansive landscapes and group photos. The camera system supports 4K video recording at 30/60 fps with HDR, ensuring high-quality video content. For selfies, the device features a 50-megapixel front camera with PDAF, capable of recording 4K videos at 30 frames per second. Battery and charging. Equipped with a 5100 mAh silicon carbon battery, the Camon 40 Premier 5G ensures prolonged usage throughout the day. The device supports 70W wired fast charging, allowing users to quickly recharge and stay connected without lengthy interruptions. Connectivity and additional features. This smartphone offers comprehensive connectivity options, including support for GSM, HSPA, LTE, and 5G networks. It features dual nano SIM slots, Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/n/ac/5, Bluetooth, GPS, NFC, and an infrared port. The inclusion of an under-display optical fingerprint sensor enhances security, while the IP68/IP69 rating ensures resistance to dust and water, providing durability in various environments. Market availability and pricing. As of March 17, 2025, the Tecno Camon 40 Premier 5G has been released in select markets. While it has not yet launched in India, the anticipated price is approximately 39,990 Indian rupees. Prospective buyers should stay tuned for official announcements regarding its availability in their region. Conclusion. The Tecno Camon 40 Premier 5G stands as a testament to Tecno's commitment to delivering high-quality, feature-rich smartphones that cater to the evolving needs of modern users. Its combination of elegant design, powerful performance, advanced camera capabilities, and robust battery life positions it as a compelling choice in the competitive smartphone market. Thank you. Please like and subscribe to our channel Jucter.